I'm here. Hi. T! I'm here. I mean, I'm kind of here. I'm a phantom. I may be here. Hello. Hey, Vimic. Hey, I saw you came back. I peeked in for a second. How are you? You're back. I mean, you're back on stream. It was funny because the other day I was like, I haven't seen Vimic on stream for a while. And I was like wondering what was going on. It's okay, you don't have to share. And then I was so happy to see that you came back. So welcome back. Hello. Welcome back to streaming. Like not welcome back to the stream. You've been here. But I'm so glad you're back to streaming. Are you doing a class again? Because you were doing the TypeScript class. Oh my God. Okay, I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. My thoughts go out to you. I know it doesn't mean a lot, but you know. Feel free to share their pictures on Discord and, you know. Just need to get some modifications done in Jump Room. Oh, first customer! Congratulations! That's awesome! That's so amazing, Vimic! Jump Room, Jump Room! Yeah, bubbles in the chat for Vimic. First customer, that is badass. That is badass, that's the dream. Vimic, y'all, is living maybe like the pre-dream, right? But first customer, did you have champagne when you got the first customer? Or you like, or did you got to eat? First customer! That's so cool. That is amazing. I cannot tell you how excited I am for you. I'm so excited. I'm like, I was like, yeah, stream's gonna be okay today, you know, whatever. I'm just gonna try this new thing that's gonna mess up. But now I have good news from Vimic. That's so exciting. Yeah, I'm gonna just one more bubbles, and I have to actually start up IRL bubbles. So give me a second, and then I'll do that quick. I even remember, sometimes I don't remember where the file is. So, oh no, can I do IRL bubbles today? Interesting. I have to think about this because if IRL Bubbles right now sits on the same API as Vibrator. And so if I'm going to try to actually deploy Vibrator today, then I'm going to either have to separate out IRL Bubbles, or I'm going to have to have it running while I'm redoing the code. I suppose I could run it locally, then fork the repo, and then have like a public one that runs publicly. Actually, that might be a good idea. Does anybody think that's a bad idea? Like having a local one just for stream? Because really what I want to do is learn how to do, it might be way out of my depth, honestly. But I've noticed that like every time, good day, Finn Sifty Cat. Good day to you. How are you doing today? Good day. But yeah, go for it. Well, you know, yeah, all right. So set it up here, but then, so people can use it, but then fork a copy of it to improve it for good, thanks. It's great. Finn Sifty Cat. How are you? And what are you doing? What are you doing here? How did you find us? You're a game dev. That's very exciting. What game are you building? Or give the smart people a chance to join stream and ask again. The smart people came in first. Vimic is here. Did you not just hear? Vimic software is now like legit. It's being sold. It's amazing. Or give the smart people a chance to join stream, then ask again. Fucking cold-blooded. Oh, well, welcome. Well, welcome. You're one of the crowd. Piling to lower the collective IQ. I'm not sure that's true, Piling. And honestly, IQ isn't like a real measure of intelligence, right? Not really. So I'm not. If you lower it, let's take it down together, Piling. Like you and me, friend. I'm happy to have a low IQ. As long as I can still learn and grow. It doesn't matter where I'm starting from. Based on my own IQ, it definitely is. Oh, that's true. Old Sloppy is in here. So it's kind of like, you know, it's kind of like the monetary Elon Musk, you know, version of like that big graph that says like, okay, if you're way up here and then everybody's way down. So Old Sloppy like brings us high enough that it doesn't even marginally change IQ because Old Sloppy is here. Don't worry about it. Cold-blooded. So basically what I was asking is, should I run Vibes locally? Because IRL Bubbles is also on Vibes, and I think I want to leave all of my stream APIs in the same place because it's not going to hurt anybody, and it doesn't matter. It's like a tiny little model. Maybe someday I will if I actually do, but really what I want to do today is learn how to deploy an API and get it auth. And I know this is going to be hard. I'm actually really nervous about it because when I've seen people use APIs, there's always like a token that they generate, and you know, you have to like submit it with a token, but it's not hard to set up the auth. And I think this is Fast API, Gray Hatter. So it's written in Fast API. So I kind of have to like find the right package, run my own server. No, I want to deploy. Well, I don't want to have my computer on all the time. I guess. No, I want to deploy it publicly so that other people can use it. Okay. All right. It's not hard. Well, that's exciting. That's exciting. So then my other question was, should I fork my repo and run it run the local version by me so that we have bubbles and stuff? Because everybody loves IRL Bubbles. So I could, hold on, Hatter. I want to Yes, let me remember that question. Let me finish my sentence. I don't know why I like interrupted myself. It was like as though you were like, oh no, she has to answer my question immediately. But I could have just finished my sentence. Like, this is my stream. Why am I ridiculous? Like, how dare you interrupt? I know, right? You're just like, rah, rah. That's so silly. What's the irony? Pai Lang, what's the irony? Like, pardon me. Hold on, let me. Pardon me. Hold on, me. Oh, that's so funny. Okay, so what I was saying is I think I'm gonna run my version locally and then fork the repo and make the public version different. So that if I have to make any like, I mean, sure, like maybe I'll merge them back again, but I think then I can use the local one now. So I'm gonna do that. And actually, this is like, I think this is this, well, I guess I've cloned a bunch of repos, but I've never like forked one like to where but I guess that's not really different because you just do a pull request. Like even if I cloned it, it's kind of the same. I mean, I don't know. I guess I don't know the difference between forking and cloning. But like, I would assume. Oh, a branch. Oh my goodness, Nick. Why did I even think to? Of course I do a branch. This is my dev branch. And then I make a prod branch. Duh. Like, how did I not think of that? Well, okay, but, okay, hold on. All right, so I got yelled at last. So Gray Hatter, can you hold that VPS question in your head so I understand? Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. Of course I should have used a branch. That's so silly. Why didn't I just think of that? Technically, there's no difference in Git, but there's a difference in GitHub in how we also treat the clone fork ourselves. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, we're yelling? I'm yelling? Did I just yell? Sorry, I didn't mean to yell. Loud noises! That was so bad. Environment-specific branches are also reasonable workflow if you need them to be permanently different. Yeah, I mean, I might as well, I guess. Like a local branch is pretty, yeah, I don't mind running it on my own. Yeah. Oh, okay. All right, okay, so I'm going, since I got yelled at for using VS Code terminal as my regular terminal to start Vibrator last time, I have to figure out, okay, this is the first time I've run a virtual environment in PowerShell, so this is gonna be real fun. All right, I'm gonna share my screen now, because like, why not? Who would yell at you? You would yell at me. You yelled, Hatter. You were the one who yelled. You recorded it? Do you not remember that you recorded your voice in on Discord and you had me play it and you said, I want you to play this 50 times until you get it into your head. And it wasn't very mean at all. You just said, use a terminal instead. I'm just kidding. None of this is real. Yeah, it's not. It didn't happen. Oh, we have it as a soundboard option. Oh, you're right. T doesn't yell. I'm not trying to get you perma-banned. Oh. I am in terminal. I'm in a terminal, and now I want to go into Mechacracy. So I go cd Mechacracy, and then I have to start my virtual environment. So I've never started a virtual environment in Terminal before, but there's really no reason why that wouldn't work, right? But I don't know how it's going to work. This is going to be a lot of fun. So then I have to remember what the, wait, is this already on? No, this isn't already on. Okay, it was? Was Vibes running? Has Vibes been running this entire time? Did I never turn this off? What is going on? There's no way Vibes is running. It's not running. Okay, good. Yeah, there's no token. Oh, speaking of which, I do have to get a Twitch token. So give me a hot minute, which I also need to like learn to just put the refresh token in and figure that out. Like there's a lot of stuff that I need to learn that I've never deployed before, and I'm really excited to do it. Also, how much coffee did I have 5 minutes ago? A lot, I guess. All right, so we're gonna get Twitch token U, and then I thought I saved my developer key, but let's go see. I did, yay! Sometimes I do good things to myself. S, chat, read, chat, edit, enter. What? No, I don't want you to update Firefox Developer Edition. What are you doing? Okay, so I've got Mechacracy. Now I've got my access token. Can close my environment, can close this, which I also could have done in the terminal, I understand, but don't worry, I didn't do anything in that terminal. All right, and now this is 100% a do what I say, not do, not what I do thing. Oh, okay. Scripting is scary. Yeah, for real. It's not. You're right. You're right. You're right. I should script. I mean, but that's what today is all about. Maybe today is the day to learn how to script. Maybe this is right. The time is now, y'all. Learning is important. And I don't, yeah, follow the dopamine. Nothing. Old sloppy. Well, no, I mean, you can code without scripting. A script is like something that you run. JavaScript, right? JavaScript, right? Am I right? Seems sus. Scripting. I don't know. I'm almost done with my Josh, are you gonna give a new sound? You got a new sound for me? All right, so we're gonna learn, so the token I do have to script, you're right. And then starting this up, yeah, why the hell not? All right, let's do this, right? Let's do this. All right, so I should write the script probably in the root. Why do I have like a small accent? Is this like, am I developing this? Like activating extra brain cells? No, thank you. No. I have a drawer full of brain cells, and I have like an eardropper, and like every time I start a Twitch stream, I just drop some extra in my ear, and they kind of like crawl into my, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's happening. All right, so I'm back in VS Code. Wait, you want me to Vim? You want me to use Vim? All right. Okay. Touch. Is it touch here? But I need to, am I doing a bash? Oh, no strings. I am back in VS Code. Wait, what'd you ask me? I'm more lazy. Oh, you're more lazy. Scripts can't be compiled to machine code. Scripts can't be compiled to machine code? That doesn't make sense. Is that a troll too? What? You're asking a question. I could or could not do this in VS Code. I could do it in Vim or whatever, right? Isn't this how you do that? Yeah, what? I don't, hold on, let's make this bigger. Can y'all see this? Wanna spin round to a beautiful oblivion. Rendezvous, then I'm through with you. Bubbles! Oh. Piling, what I want to do. Oh, you want me to answer my question? Okay. I want to write a script that gets a... Well, I have to get my Twitch token every time. So that would be nice if I could refresh the token and automate that. That doesn't seem like it's too hard. And then I also want to, which would be a shell script, I think. But then I'd have to like copy it into my .env file. And then I'd also have to open my virtual environment, start my Uvicorn server, and start my and run my npm run dev app. Oh crap. Shit, maybe this won't work. You have to write a Python script that takes client ID and secret, makes a request to the Auth and API endpoint. All right, simulacrum. Bubbles! Hey, coder. I'll do IRL bubbles. Are they paused? That's a lot of stuff. Can I do one at a time, Pylang? One at a time. Or maybe I should just start this here and do my auth thing that I want to do today. IRL bubbles. All right, I'll just do this. I'll just do this today. Hold on. I should have a script. Why is this here? All right, so CD, or do I do, I think I do vibes, scripts, oh no, venv, where is it? Hold on. Okay, so I do sentiment analysis, oops. Then I do no, I don't do vibes. I do virtual environment, then I do scripts, and then I do activate. What? Hold on. Activate.ps1, all right. Why didn't that just work? That's weird. That's weird that scripts... Was that what that was? It was activate dot. All right, we're just gonna do the easy way because I don't care. All right, here it is. Oh, I needed source. I forgot about source. I had to put source in front. That's what I needed to do. Yeah, I'll use PowerShell. It's the one I'm most, or the Windows terminal. This is the one I usually use. This is the one or command, like sometimes I'll use command prompt, I guess. Which is, I don't even know where this is. This is not PowerShell. This is just command prompt. So probably PowerShell. If you're gonna use PowerShell, I'll wish you good luck and watch. Do you have another suggestion? I can use anything, Piling. I'm happy to. I think I'm just gonna start it, honestly. Oh, and now Grey Hatter's gonna yell at me because I'm doing it in the terminal again. I don't think I can do WSL. I guess I could do WSL. It doesn't matter. I'm not making the script today. I think I'm gonna do the auth stuff. I'm gonna try to move forward with what I was gonna do because it's already hard. And I can do script on a, no, I don't own a Raspberry Pi. Hold on. I gotta remember where this lives. Come on, why are you cranky? CD sentiment analysis vibes. Am I doing this wrong? And I, sleeping with my clothes on, came into the window last night, and you're gone. I was never born to sing punk, y'all. Never. All right, so Python, manage.py run server. No! I wasn't ready! What happened? Came into my room. It must be in sentiment analysis, so I gotta move up as a directory. There we go. No? Is it even higher? Oh, you know what? I'm doing the wrong server. And I need to move down. Chrissy. Where the hell is Unicorn? There we go. All right. Because it's Fast API. It's not Django, and I was using Django. Perfect. This is the saddest song in the world. Okay, I need for the life of me to sync that way. It's not plugged in. Bubbles are not plugged in. We ever die for these sins? We were merely freshmen. Oh, I see. And I don't even know, you know what, the batteries also might be. Come on, you got it. Did I remember to turn the batteries off? Shit. I did not. I did not remember to turn IRL bubble batteries off, so they've just been sitting there draining. Let's try it now. We're in good shape. Whoa, that's loud. Jeez, that's loud. Does anybody hear that? Loud. Bubbles! Okay. Halifax is here. Hey, Halifax, how you doing? Oz Cryptor, hello, how are you? Thank you for the follow. Oh, and Lieutenant Dan. I didn't even see you, Lieutenant Dan. Welcome on in. Thank you for the follow. And Laxold, welcome on in from Maddie's stream. Well, hello. Those are good, but I like to add banana to mine. Yeah, I'm so sorry I missed you. Welcome on in. Thanks for hanging out with us, Lieutenant Dan. Bubbles! That is less good vibes than last time. Oh, nice. Halifax. Wait, how did you know 41% good vibes? Oh, you're looking at my terminal. Oh, I see. I see. I see. You just have to say like, yay, vibes, yay. And then you get 100%. Hooray. You just have to be like one-dimensional to be 100% good vibes. We'll fix that. We're going to fix that. Even if I have to rewrite the entire code base myself, or the database myself, I don't really mind. I'm just going to put artificial numbers of like what Chrissy feels is good vibes. I probably should restart it though, because I'm starting the database with old data. So it's actually using people's data from old streams, which I guess it doesn't really matter, but it's vibrating. Old sloppy vibrating. Oh, so it does not work with both? I thought there was a current concern for being able to do both. Do both what? So no, there was a concern for being able to do both, but I'm going to create a branch and we're going to move off of this anyway. So we're going to basically, I'll show ya. We're going to not use this VS Code terminal. I'm going to pretend it doesn't exist. We're probably going to close PowerShell. What did you suggest I use? WSL? Hold on, I don't want to do that. I always do that. I never want to do that. All right, we're going to open a new VS Code. Ugh, I really just got to get IntelliJ. Chrissy Codes just has to buy IntelliJ. I just don't want to cross use it for my personal and my public. So basically we have to buy a separate subscription, which kind of stinks, but it's okay. Let's see. T, you're number 3? Of course T is number 3. Non sounds like negative. Yeah, true. I forgot to make the mod commands for volume up and volume down. Oh, okay. Is the community edition not good enough? What am I missing? What community edition? Oh. I guess I could just get the Jean-Pierre. Thank you for the follow. Jean-Pierre. It's nice to see you. I could get community edition. I don't have to get IntelliJ, but I like IntelliJ piling. I like it. Or Vim. I don't even know. Is it hard to learn Vim, or do you just sit in the, like, do you just basically chill in the terminal and then you're there and that's it? Is that how it works? Nick Baring, 0. Oh no. Do I touch type? You mean versus like speak my code? I do touch. My computer, or my keyboard sits in front of me. Do I hunt and peck? No, I'm from the generation who had the frog game where you like had the frog leap to the next letter by typing that letter. No, I don't hunt and peck. No. Chill in the terminal. Pretend you're thinking. Just chill there. Have wine in the terminal. Mavis Beacon. Probably Mavis Beacon. Yeah, Halifax. I learned on pause. Yeah, I don't remember which one I learned on. I just remember the computers had giant monitors. The monitors were like this thick and they were all like early Apples. When you learned to touch type, were you slower? I couldn't look at the keyboard. I had to get we had to use like a manila folder that they taped to the back of the keyboard, and then bubbles that they taped to the back of the keyboard, and it covered your hands. So I couldn't ever look at the keyboard. Oh, nice. Nice, Halifax. Okay, we're going to check this out. Oh, yeah. Microtype. Nice. Oh my God, is it downloading? I didn't mean to do that. Oh shit. No, wait. Oh, no, that's what happened. Oh, I see. Is this a video? Yeah! That's so funny. I'm not going to run it right now. But that is cool. When you weren't allowed to look, you were slower than when you were allowed to look, right? No. Probably not. I don't think there was a difference. I don't think I really looked at it ever. So objective one, whew, that's a good point, Piling. The things that I want to complete today may not be in the right order. So let's just do we're just going to do a quick one. Ew! Who erased my history? Hold on. Ew! Dark mode. What is this? Where is my stuff? Is it all gone? It's all broke. It's all gone. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's so terrible. I was just using cookies. Now they're gone. It's gone. All right. Okay, so what we're gonna do today is, all right, so let's just do this, make it the color I want. Where the hell is my pink color? That's not what I want. That's not what I want at all. That'll work though. Love a good background. And then I want this, and then I don't want this. Can I pick a new color? There we go, there's my color. I don't know why, yeah. All right, can I write in here? Come on, hello? That's a shape. I don't want a shape, I just want to write, there we go. All right, so the project today is, or we're just gonna name it, so deploying a version of, what is this called? Vibrator, so other people can use it. But I don't necessarily want, I don't know, we'll see. It's just so that I can learn how to do this pretty much. So then the first step is really just to create a branch, a get branch, right? This is also tiny now. Oh, crap. There we go. Make sure everybody can see. Duh. Okay, so the first thing is create a get branch for deploy. Then the next thing is I basically want to protect it with so I want to learn how to integrate the OAuth token or some version with fast API. So we'll see. I don't really know what I'm doing there, which is good because I want to. T, did you lose sound? Hello, echo? Oh, it's just you. It did cut out. Oh, okay, good. Oh, interesting. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, Sloppy, can you start my tea? Can you start my tea water? Okay, and then the other thing I want to do is to find a good place to deploy. And I don't care if I have to pay a little for it. Like a public server or something. I don't, like, a lot of this is just all shit I'm learning now. You know, it's like brand new. So it's, I could use AWS, that might be expensive. But yeah, and then deploy. Well, of course, there's some stuff in between. Also, I might need to create a different database. So I need to plug in a different database to plug in to a different database. Because I don't know. I mean, maybe I can use SQLite on. I don't really want to use SQLite. I want to use something better. Glitch.me is a good store. Okay, options. Thank you, Halifax. Options. It might be good just for me to get through. I can run it on Gray. You want me to, Gray? And then you can work on vibes. I'm not sure you like the music of people 20 years older than you, but this is my new favorite stream. Lieutenant Dan. Hold on. This is 90s to 2000s. This is Foo Fighters. What are you talking about? But hold on. When maybe Everlong came out way before I know. Anything. Everlong year. Yeah, I mean, I don't know about that. But you'd need to, no, I'm not going to do this one. This is, I would like my own, I mean, well, let's, not, I'm like, the best thing to do when a hacker offers you for them to use their server is to say no politely, bow, and walk away. It's far more robust, maybe way more. We need the Twitch host, sub for hosting, and the Twitch OAuth for authentication. Okay. Do I add that to this part? What I got to do? I do a Twitch token right now, but do I need that? Okay, Twitch host sub for hosting with Twitch OAuth for authentication. I could, but I don't know. Do you think that's the right decision? I don't know. Should I think glitch.me is a good idea if it's public and easy. And if I ever do anything more serious, never turn back on a hacker. It's like a bear. Do? That friggin' internet. All right. I don't know if it's our modem. I don't think it's OBS, but internet has been dropping for a while. Yeah, it's frustrating. Makes me a little bit mad. Nathaniel, thank you for the follow. Hello. It's nice. Techie! Jay the developer, hello. How are you doing? All right, so we're going to use glitch for the server. I'm terrified. I cannot tell you how terrified I am of all these stuff. And I don't even know if I'm missing any, but at least they're here, or a droplet, kind of like bubblet. Yeah. Hey, Nathan, did you follow Nana Banana in? Techie's right. Techie's did bubbles. Techie? Old Sloppy, no, stay in the pause, wonder. Oh, yeah. Mod hammer of authority. I don't know. Everybody's behaving themselves today. Techie, type something. What are you doing, Old Sloppy? Is Banna here? No, Banna's not here. Banana is not here. All right. So then in this case, at least I have what I think I need, right? So I'm going to start with the git branch because that's easy. And I would like it. Bubble bop, bubble bop, bubble bubble bop, bubble bop. Bubble bubble bop, bubble bop, bubble bubble bop. I can't believe I have to hear that every time Techie comes in. I don't want to. I don't want to do it. just can't. No! All right, I have to start this in terminal. Otherwise, it's going to cross paths with this one, and I can't do that. Wait. Hold on. How is this going to work? Hold on. I think so I can't use the branch at the same time. Would I have to like clone? Fuck. Do I have to? Shit. Okay. All right, y'all. Oh God. Okay. Okay. So I'd have to clone the branch into a different folder and have a copy of a copy of Mecha Chrissy somewhere else. I have to have a copy of Mecha Chrissy elsewhere. Like this, we need a Mecha Chrissy 2. That's fine. That's easy enough. I'll just make a new folder. But I also probably should have done this in a terminal instead of like here. But whatever, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, so we're gonna make a new folder called Mecha Chrissy 2 and clone my other branch into that. That seems like so much like it's because it's running here though. Yeah. Blah. Doesn't work. All right. You might have a chance if I use complete statements. Okay, the statement is Mecha Chrissy, this branch is running on, it's running on my computer. This branch is using like a local database and which is in this branch. And if I switch branches in this folder, then it's going to mess it up. So I have to leave it running in this branch in this folder, and I have to open a new folder in order to, we just got to wait till there's a bug in Mecha Chrissy and it needs to restart. Yeah, but then no one can do IRL bubbles. Like that's going to be sad. So I'll just do it in a new folder. It's not a big deal. It's like, and then I can delete the folder when it's done and it's fine. And then I'll have, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. It's fine. Get worktree add checks out a branch from the same repository in a different working directory. Oh. So Pylang, I just don't want to be working in this branch while it's running, because if I change the server, if I try to like add things, it's gonna reset. What this is the? Oh, I mean it's not just IRL bubbles. It's also vibrator. I'm not gonna write a whole different project for one. I mean, I might someday for one endpoint. Reset. Okay. It would rerun the, so every time I make a change in here, so if I add like const peanuts equals, and let's say I just left this, right? It will rebuild, it will restart and then break. Like this is still going, wait. It should break because it should not be able to recognize. Hold on a minute. This is not the one that's running here. I'm gonna do it in this one. So if I do it here and I say like equals peanuts, because everybody writes about peanuts, const peanuts, so it crashes. So because I'm typing in it, it crashes, so vibrator and IRL bubbles won't run. So maybe still do a new branch, but clone another copy. Okay, yes, I will do that. Yeah, it's a known instance. So can I not do what Nick said, a get work tree add? So I'll make the new branch. So let's do this. File. Let's make a new directory. New directory, not in here. What are you doing? Mecha Chrissy, no. So I'm gonna open a folder. I'm gonna open Twitch app. Then I'm gonna make a new directory, which is gonna be called what? Where did it go? Osabi, did you start my tea? Because you're awesome. Nope, I don't want it there. I want it in Twitch app. Okay. So then we're gonna call this Mecha Chrissy Public? I don't know. Mecha Chrissy Temp. Hold on. I hope I listened to myself in terms of deleting it. Temp. Camel case. Everybody's mad. File. Open folder. Mecha Chrissy Temp. Thank you for the follow, Unauthorized Nate. Nerd Rage. Welcome on in. Hello. How are you doing? How is everyone? How is the hell out of everybody? All right, so we're back in, now we're in Mecha Chrissy Temp. We're gonna open a good little terminal and then we're going to, I don't know what they are. I gotta fix those at some point. Okay, now I'm back. I'm not doing Soapbox today, Nerd Rage, but that's, Soapbox is an app that I'm working on that I'm very excited for. You guys can't hear the music? What's my song? Not if you use command line flags only, right? Hold on. You can do that, but you shouldn't. Got it. I advise try the laziest thing first. All right. So we're going to do git init, then git clone. Can we cheat the system? Wait, fuck. Oh, shit. Did I use the wrong one? Y'all, how come you don't tell me? How come nobody warns me that I'm terrible? Terrible. Wait, but now I can do it the right way, right? Okay. All right, let's try this. All right, let's try this. So we're going to open terminal. We're going to go into desktop and then Twitch app. Then we're going to activate. So we're going to do cd Mecha Chrissy. And then we're going to do source sentiment. This is going to be hard. Hold on. I got to sentiment analysis. Nope, not vibes. It's venv. And then script. And then activate. And if I do source before this, should I take away the term source is not recognized as the name of a command, so it wouldn't work in here. Hold on, I missed everything. You could like write CI pipeline. Source is a bash thing? Okay. So can I just open git bash? Hold on. No. Okay. CD. C. Crap. I don't even know where I am. I'm at the top of the file. Hold on. C users, Twitch. Okay. CD, desktop, Twitch app, Mecha Chrissy. And so now it'll work. So now if I do CD, nope. So if I open virtual environment from here, so I do source sentiment analysis, and then venv, and then scripts. Dude, if I do this, I'm just going to say, oh my God, that's amazing. Okay, I did it. I did it. I did it, y'all. Woo! Woo! First time. I keep doing these things for the first time. I mean, yes, I understand that I've like written that code before, but I've never done it in Git Bash. That's pretty cool. All right, so then we're going to do, we have to do CD. No, we have to do, yeah, CD into sentiment analysis and vibes. And then I have to start the Unicorn server. So I have to remember it was main app reload. Why do I have an accent today? Try Unicorn help. Let's just make sure that's the right one. I'm gonna cheat and check the Unicorn main app -- reload. I thought that's what I did. Unicorn, oh, I didn't do the double dash. What is that called? Long dash? Hash? All right, there we go. Okay, so now Python is running, and then if I want, so do I need a second bash terminal? Middle. Can I do that? Can I have two at the same time? I can. Look at that. Okay. So then we're going to do CD desktop. This is so fun, y'all. I feel like a real live developer. Not that I wasn't in the first place, but sometimes you just don't feel, you don't feel like it, you know? All right, so here we go. We're going to do npm run dev. And now IRL bubble should work. Huh. Hell to the yeah. I'm sorry, motherfuckers. Oh. Yeah, I guess that's true. I guess that's true. But I like training wheels. You would never remember all the things. I've just done it so many times. Vim is like this. Okay, okay. All right, okay, okay. I hear you. All right. Okay, so now what I need to do is open Mecha Chrissy 2 and then clone it. But what I was gonna do instead is go into the original one and just check the remote branch because that's a lot easier. So if I just do CD, then opening Git, right? So CD up, CD Mecha Chrissy, and then I do Git remote. There's like a way to look at the remote repo, and it's remote origin. It's like something origin. Main. There's a way to look at the origin in the half the work of settling into terminal building and the training wheels, terminal completion color. So yeah, true. Is building the training wheels. Yeah, amen. I've done that so many times. Like I did that, you know, yeah. But I mean, Bash is still not, there's still not a script. And I think like scripting would be really cool. It's just getting, that's cool, Hatter. That's cool. I'm a big girl. It's so exciting. Okay, I guess I don't remember how to call the repo, so I might as well just check Git. Or I could, yeah, it's fine. Oh shit. Is this all of Mecha Chrissy? Okay, it is. Hold on a minute. So this is only half of it? This is only Why did I do this? So I didn't even put the Python stuff up here? Hold on, maybe I did. Oh, yeah, okay. I don't know what I'm thinking, sorry, y'all. All right, so we're just gonna clone this. Not in here. All right, so then git clone, ta-da. I pushed 1 month ago. You're right. I wonder if hold on, let me see. Hold on, let me, yeah, maybe I'm careful with that. Because I did work on it recently, so I do want to make sure that, because I don't even know if IRL Bubbles is in here, which actually might be a good thing, to be honest. It might be a good thing, honestly, like, but let's not do that. So we're gonna open Mechacracy. Oh, and now because Mechacracy is running in the no, I still need it. So let's actually do git status. It's just bot2. Oh, and a bunch of new files, which a lot of them are practice, but I might as well. Added partame. Git commit added IRL Bubbles, which is not great, but it's fine. All right, so then we close this and then we pull it again. Oh, it is so much nicer to not worry about closing. Like, why didn't I do this before? Eventually, the flex is reducing the number of terminals. Like, I just completed this complex workflow on hundreds of remote servers with one command. Yeah, Nick, I feel that. I'll do this. I'll do the scripting. I'll get there. Someday. But wait a minute. I guess I'd have to like roll the, because I could just roll it into like a build, like an app itself. We can do it now. I don't want to do it now. I mean, it's fine, but I'm just not focused on it. I feel like if I go that direction, it will get done. It's not a bad idea to switch directions, but I think like I was pretty excited to do this tonight, and I just want to stay on task. Where the hell is all the rabbit holes? Thanks, Nick. That means a lot. Is it the right deploy? Ship! Wait, were you here and I didn't say hi? I'm sorry, Ship. Oh. You must have said hi already and I just missed it. I'm so sorry. And Wolf was here. Hold on. Hold the door. How did I miss Wolf? Oh my good heavens. How was I so self-involved? Y'all, I'm so sorry for being so self-involved. I apologize. All right. So back to the beginning. Vicini says, we got to pull this. We got to pull this now because we messed up. Whoa, that's not what I want. No tracking information? How does that work? git pull remote. Oh, I gotta do git branch, set upstream to equals, and then I have to do some fancy. How come that? But anyway, she doesn't care about that. She thinks I'm beautiful. Meet Virginia. Do I just do this? Ship it. You're focused. That's true. That's true. Getting harder to distract her. I don't know why. I'm sorry. How can you be this focused with a lot of us in chat? I've had a lot of practice, Nick. I've had a lot of practice. Or maybe it's just like, it's like back pay. I can rate your vibe, Melky. Why don't you rate your vibe? 100% Melky vibe. Don't get mad at me. Don't get mad at me. Y'all, Melky had very cool. I don't get mad. No, me? It's probably, right now, your vibe is probably like 3%. But your real vibe is 97.5. Your vibe in chat is not going to be as good, but your real vibe, 97.5 by far. Depends on the day. Sometimes 98. Okay, y'all, I don't remember how to do this. All right, I'm going to go look this up. This is shit I should know like the back of my hand, and I just don't. But you know what? I'm getting there. Every step brings us closer. All right. Git branch, set upstream to origin. She only drinks coffee. What is the name of the branch anyway? Was it main? Hold on. Oh, hello. Check it, Melky. Here. Vibe rating. Check your vibe. Check it. Mine is 31. I'm ranked 31 out of 88 users. And there are only 88 users because I didn't delete the database. 61. Oh no, Melky. No. I gotta restart this. I gotta restart it because I'm using the old database and it's not fair to everybody. It's just simply not fair. And she thinks about... All right, let's find the database and just delete it. She screams. Does anybody see it? It's just a SQLite database. Anybody see a .db anywhere? The hell is it? Is it in vibes? There it is. All right, we're gonna delete it and then break the app and then reset it. Move to recycle bin. Bye-bye. And then if someone chats, hello. Terminal, find it. Oh, I could have done that. Time. There, it started again. I just saw it. Did it not? Yeah, it's right here, but I think it's broken now. So every time I do this, it breaks. So vibes. Hello. Oh, no, it didn't break. Nice. And now if I do vibrating. Can't do vibrating for some reason. Breaks it. Yeah. Every time I delete the database while it's live, it breaks. Yeah. Totes. If I could just rerun it. Let's just rerun it. Yeah. Negative 100%. Vibe rating. Shit. It always breaks. I broke it. I broke the app. Damn it. All right. Okay, Melky. It's all good. At least you got the first vibrating. I gotta figure out what I broke. Chaos engineering at its finest, yes. That should be just my title. I think I should change my title. Hold on, I don't know who like vibrator updater or chaos engineering at its finest. I don't know. I know it's fine. It always does that. It's all good. It's fine. Vibe not working. Vibes. Vibe. It works on my machine. There we go. All done. I did it. I fixed it. I did it. I don't think that works. I think it cleans it. I'm sure you could break it, Gray, but. All right, so we're back. We're live. Whoa. I didn't know I could see it in here, though. It always says you can't. Whoa. A little bit. It's not great, SQL. No, don't try. Not yet. But I am going to do the public one. When I do the public one, I would like you to try. Yes, 100%. Yes, please. I don't know if that worked. How would I know? It said, let's see. No, it rated it. It rated it. It didn't delete it. All right, here we go. I'm in the wrong folder now. Fucking hell. Can Chrissy get anything done even when I'm not distracted? It's impossible. It's freaking impossible. Oh my God, I can't. I just can't. Did you push CC to use separate terminal to run her servers? Yes, Gray did push me to use a separate terminal to run my servers, 100%. But that's okay. Okay, so now I have to set this upstream stuff so that I can add a new branch. Where's an example of this? All right, so I just have to do get branch, set upstream to, and then main, I think it's called, but I'm just gonna go look. Thank you for the follow, Olim. Hello. Yeah, it was psychological torture. You should have clipped it, Hatter. Psychologically tortured by a Twitch streamer. Isn't everyone? Master. All right, so we want get branch. I'm the one who loves you, baby, can't you see? If you want to call me, maybe. All right, so get status. All right, so it has it sees it on branch master. Why can't I pull? Because it's not set upstream. Okay, get branch set upstream to, oh shit, 2 equals, and then master, and then hold on. Do I do origin master? Too many arguments. Can you code my heart to stop falling for you? I think I can. Watch me get pooped on. Yes, I think I can. Because I won't do that. So easy. Very easy. Okay. Xavier, thank you for the follow. Hey, Olim. Thanks for saying hi. Anne's Greywig. If you listen to the way Chrissy Coates tells it, it was psychological torture. It was. Again, NFI, what is going to come out? Let's see. It's okay. Now what's mostly? We need to help group for those who help CC. We need a help group. Amen. Yes, you all need to like, yeah, for real. No, and I can't be there. And you can't tell me when it happens either. You've got a friend in me. it a 2 out of 10. Okay, what am I fucking up here? So equals master, and do I just like make it a new branch? Oh, get pull? Like, I don't understand what I'm doing. Hold on. Get pull remote branch. Okay, so get pull, because I don't think it's like, it has the right. Get pull. And then I need the crash the help group. That would be so much fun. Hi, try with get pull origin master. I did just do that, didn't I? Maybe not. Maybe you're right. I think you're right. I've done this before, but I don't know. Could not, origin does not to, oh, okay, I see. Every little thing she does is magic. I love my like lips. I wish I could just capture my lips in that like, in that face scan. They were like very sensual. I gotta do that. I gotta do the app. The next app we make, y'all. Look, I love, you are cringe. Yes, absolutely. I absolutely love the idea of keeping the face scans and having them go to Discord. And we really need to do that. I'm so excited about it. Bubbles! Maybe you don't use VS Code Terminal anymore. Ah! What is that? Oh, no, cancel! No, don't call 911! Stop! Cancel! Holy shit. What? Oh, you guys, my phone is in a loop, y'all. Oh my God, that's hilarious. Oh my God, please go away. I know, I just turned the phone off, so they're just gonna be here. Am I getting... Let's see. 3 minutes before they show up, yeah, for real. I know, what if I get swatted? Old Sloppy. So I just like, actually, I don't know, Techie. Yeah, I should. Hold on. Yeah, I'm going to take a break. I'm going to take a break. You don't think so? No, I'm not going to let it roll. I'm going to take a break. Okay, I'm back. Hey, Ladytron. Oh, wait. Those aren't follows. Roger Loaf. All okay. Actually, I don't know. So interestingly, like, so it went, and then like I called 911 and I said like, hey, oh, this is what happened to my phone. And they were like, yeah, it happens a lot. If it keeps repeating, then just stay on the line and tell us everything's okay. So I was like, so I turned off my mobile data, and then it did it again and connected. But I'm sure if like you hit emergency, like maybe it automatically connects your mobile data. So I think my phone is just borked, which is interesting. I mean, it's an old ass phone, but yeah. So it's just off now. Emergency mode auto connects. Yeah. Okay. So that's good. But yeah, it was in emergency mode. It says for till 11:06, and then I turned it off. I turned emergency mode off, and then went upstairs to get tea because I was like, okay, I'm on a break anyway. I went upstairs to get tea, and it started ringing again. So I didn't even touch it. If you install MS Teams, you can't make any 911 calls. I don't think that's true. Who needs a phone when you can have an Apple Vision Pro? Yeah, for real, no. I'm not ready for Ready Player One, y'all. So my phone is off right now. It's like it eeks, like it's eking me out. Like maybe it's just a down. Maybe it's just a virus. It's possible. It is. I want the news report about it. Oh, for real? Yes, I would love the news report about it. Did the EMS come? No, I called them and said it was that we were safe. But what happened, Chip, is then it like my emergency mode on my phone started up again. So I had to. You're all in Apple Vision Pro? Is that, no, that's where you live, T? You're all in it? It's where you exist. But I did get tea and forgot my water upstairs. So that phone has been dropped more times than my hammer. Please stop pretending like you use a hammer often. It's ridiculous. Okay, this is fun. Maybe the Teams bug, because I do have Teams on my phone. Maybe the Teams bug now is calling 911 over and over again. Like maybe they unfixed it. You did make a shooting bench, which took like 4. I've never seen someone use a stapler to make a shooting bench and hang a bunch of pictures. It was the weirdest thing. I have a hammer next to me and I'm sitting next to IKEA furniture. Wait, hold on a minute. I didn't know you needed a hammer for... It's a gub. Yeah, I don't know. I'm a little nervous to turn my phone back on, but we'll see after stream how that goes. I might just do a factory reset. I got tea, but it's hot. And then I have water, but it's upstairs. So let's go back to what we were doing before we were rudely interrupted by the emergency call. Aw, that's sweet, rude guy. Everything I do. All right, here we go. Okay, let's see. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we've got vibrator. Just turn it on in a tin can. What will that do? Should I wear an aluminum hat when I do that? I was fixing my push pull. So origin didn't work. So I do git pull. Don't I have to set the branch first? I feel like I have to set the branch first. And that didn't work. Too many arguments to set new upstream. What if I just do master? Branch master doesn't exist. Do I have any remote on that repo? Oh. Do I just do remote? Git branch. I don't have it. It's not no, it's just chilling. Git remote. V? No, I don't. Why when I cloned it, would it not just hang out? Like why wouldn't the connection be made? What did I mess up? Because it doesn't know? All right. So now I have to set remote. Basically, I have to set... All right, hold on. Okay. I'm just trying to pull. I just pushed it up and now I just want to pull it down. So all I want to do is get the most recent version, and it says there's no tracking information for the current branch. Please specify which branch you want to merge with. Seek git pull. So I just do git pull 1. Why did it say see git pull 1 for details? I don't know. So I want to, do I do git pull, hold on, git pull master? Does not appear to be a git repository. That makes sense. So I do git pull and then the clone name. Then do I do the repo name? And then master, like this? Did that copy? So that copied a bunch of stuff. So that's weird. Isn't that weird? It's odd. Am I in? No, I'm in Mecha Chrissy temp. So that was odd. I do delete. Yeah, it's fine. Git pull help. Well, I already fucked it up by pulling. Oh, it's gonna take forever. Oh, I see. Oh my God, seriously. Okay. All right, so git pull help. Why didn't that work? On branch master. This is so weird. Should open in browser. All right, so it's here. Hold on, maybe bot 2. But I just can't, hold on a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, it is here. This is funky now. Now I'm like now I'm really confused. I don't think I did it because if I try to pull again, so I pulled it. I think you don't have a remote on your repo because you're doing git pull. Yeah, the git command is git clone. I did that already. I did do a git clone. Watch, watch, watch. So my original one, crap, hold on. Where the hell is it? Okay, hold on. Let me just go look at my, if I go back far enough, so I got git init, and then I did git clone. So right here is where I cloned it. And then it cloned it and it said resolving, and then it had issues. So if I did try that. It doesn't work. Yeah, git pull origin master. Git origin does not appear to be a git repository. Could not read from remote repository. Make sure you have the correct access. I mean, there aren't any access limitations for this. This is pretty open. Doesn't know what origin is. Yeah. Might need to set it. Oh, okay. All right. So if I do so I do git remote, add origin, and then my then git at github.com, Chrissy codes. What is it? What is it if I do I just pull it? Yeah, I do. There we go. Git, and this should set it. Will this set it? Origin. Origin. All right, so now if I do git pull, it should tell me nothing to, what the fuck? Permission denied. Okay, I'll try it. Oh, I can't push to. I'm pretty sure I have before. You can't? Yes. I'm not trying to push. I'm trying to pull it. But yeah. Hold on. Git remote, add origin. Remote origin already exists. Great. Wonderful. But I don't get status. Git pull. So it says I'm not permission denied. All right. All right, cat.getConfig. Like that. All right, so then repository file mode URL. So I have to change this URL then. Git pull origin master. Yeah, no, it says permission denied. Currently cooking, but if you get stuck, call me and I'll come back and help. Okay, so you're using SSH. Do you have an SSH? I don't think I want to use SSH. Like, oh, that's the URL is what I'm using. I see. Okay, no, I don't want to use. You mean this is SSH? I shouldn't have done this. Okay, I mean, I could use SSH, but I see what you're saying. Yep, that was silly. I don't have any public keys, so I want to, let me just Can I just delete the remote and then add a different one? Let's see. So I do git remote set URL origin and then can do that. That should work, right? This should work. Already up to date. Okay, I got it. I got it. How are my other repos configured? HTTPS. I just haven't used Git with SSH. Actually, I do use Git with SSH, but I have my SSH key saved somewhere. Yeah, sorry, I wasn't. No, git pull doesn't, I guess. I don't really understand. It's really odd. This will usually work. But that's weird. Isn't that weird? Why does it say branch? Like, why doesn't it? Yeah, it is. But we did git pull origin master and that works for now. So let's not go too crazy, I guess. Because I'm not learning anything. All right, so couple of things. First thing is git pull is crazy. Yeah, git pull is crazy. Look, git pull. He's crazy. I don't know, it's me. It's definitely me, but it's okay. You're right, I shouldn't have used the SSH. That was silly. It's just interesting. Alrighty. Okay, so first step, done. Woohoo! Oh my God. All this time. Is there no strike through? Excalibur needs a strike through, y'all. Didn't work. No strike through. Maybe I'll just make it small when it's done. No. Didn't work. That's okay. All right, check. All right, so now I have to prioritize these things. This is gonna be glitch.me. I might have to use a different database because I don't know how SQLite. Running it on branch, running git branch, origin master. You are setting git to make git pull origin master every time. Okay, let's try that. I'm happy to learn things. Git branch, set upstream to equals origin / master. Got you, master. Okay. All right, so now if I do git pull, that works. Okay, thank you. I am what? Thank you for the follow, Rosendox. Rosendox? That's terrifying. Let's see. All right, here we go. Absolutely. Thanks, Fernando. All right, so now that we have this, we have to look I think probably the smart thing is to do something that will work locally and remotely. Oh, I need a new branch. I didn't even do that step. Oh my God. Git checkout. Do I do git branch? I guess I'm gonna try to make this production or prod. Did that not work? Do I need a git branch add or something? Git branch. I always forget. Branch. Do you watch Trolls? Hey, it's Alan. It's Alan. I thought this would work. Git branch prod master. Okay, that works. Git checkout prod. Switch to prod. Got it. All right, now I have a new branch. Battylan, thank you for the follow. Give me a hot minute. How are you, Battylan? How's everything? Oh, Batty Allen? Is that... Wait, did I mess something up? I heard there were vibes rating. That's true. Rating and updating. All right, so we're on prod and now we can do some Auth-y kind of things. I don't have a .env file, which is probably good, right? I don't know. Probably good. Huh. This is where the OAuth token stuff happens. Is this going to be the same? Like, this is hard. What I'm doing is hard. Okay, so basically what... Hold on, I gotta get out of here. So basically what I think I should be doing is like, okay, so let's think about what... Ship! Bubbles! I think, I don't know, Josh, were you asking? I haven't seen that video, no. All right, so the next thing I want to do is create like the auth piece, right? Or maybe that's not the next step, but that's what I want to do. That's the next step that I can visualize. So then the way that I need to do that, so where does that connect? What needs to happen? I got to think about this. So let's say I think this is what I need to think about. I don't know what I need in terms of like a Twitch host, but if I never change my sound, that would be good. Twitch host. So like if right now TMI.js uses OAuth in this way. Oh shit. No, I have that in my ignore. That makes sense, yeah. This is your cue to where, what are you doing? Pilot, you're gonna talk about make? Are you leaving? Oh, to distract me. Why? Oh no. It definitely worked. Okay, so we have TMI.js. Okay, so let's see. If I'm a user, the TMI.js part isn't important. It's just the API. The vibe the actual vibrator. So vibes is the only thing that needs to, or sentiment analysis basically. So this entire folder, but I don't need any of this to be on the API. Really, I just need the Python API. So that means I need a server that can host Python, right? But that's most of them, right? Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, Bailing. I didn't really understand. Okay. Okay. Did it really expire? That's hilarious. I don't even know what it is. J-Ro Mofo, thank you for the sub. The Prime sub, no less. I'm so honored. Thank you so much. You rock. Welcome on in. Welcome to the smack, my friend. Welcome to the smack of jellies. Jellies! So I don't need to think about sentiment analysis. Really, I just need to think about vibes. Because, yeah, it's great to have you. And sentiment analysis. So this is where I need to pay most of my attention. So then, how does this work? How does this work? All right, I guess I start with how to. Oh, so when I finally Oh. So Piling, when I finally need and understand it, you're like, I don't know. Flowers. Pretty flower. Is it not emergency phone calls? Okay. Oh my God, you'll be gone? When I'm gone. Don't go anywhere. Is something happening, Piling? Don't go. Don't tell me you'll be gone. I don't want to hear that ever from anybody. All right. So what I need to think about is not this. I need to think about how to like how to deploy an API for the first time. Popping my API cherry. Also a good, and that's a weird one because it's like, it's not correct. I don't know why I was pointing. I was thinking of like popping things. Okay. Oh, it depends on where I am. Okay, glitch. So I need glitch. All right, glitch is a friendly place. Perfect as she can be, why should I even bother? Ah. All right, so a simple website. Glitch me deploy API. That fly.io thing I kind of want to look into. Oh, do you want a link? You got it. Okay, API endpoint. Whoa, whoa. Oh my God. Is this fast API? It's fast API. It's not MechaChrissy. I don't need to, I can connect. I mean, I guess I could, but I don't really want MechaChrissy to be, I guess I could run MechaChrissy on the server, but it should absolutely be separate. It shouldn't be on the same, like it could be on the same server, but I just mean it shouldn't be on the same. Like if I run, okay, finish your sentences. If I run Mecha Chrissy remotely, I want it to be calling the API as if it was an individual API. So it's fast API is what it is, fast API. And I did want to work on the auth first, so I don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm just understanding it a little bit more. Fast API, authorization. All right, security, first steps, fast API. Is this the actual, I never know when they have like fast API docs. Okay, it is that. All right, hopefully. Fast, is it this one? It's this, is it this one? How do you know what the official docs are when there are so many? It's D'Angelo, it looks like, right? Do I have a domain? I do have a domain. Yes. I've never put anything on it before, but I do. I do indeed. It's not linked to anything. It's just chrissycodes.com. Of any shared hosting that'll work without a domain. That makes sense. That makes sense. So I have a domain. It's just not plugged in anywhere, which makes sense. I've never done, this is all so new. So I have to host the domain first, and then this is fascinating. If I host a domain on Glitch, I can take it off from there, right? Yes, of course. You can always move hosting. Header. What I would like to do is run Vibrator as an API endpoint that anyone can use. That's what I want to do. I keep wanting to like, so that's the goal. But I don't need anybody to use it. I just need to learn how to do this. Like no one ever has to use it. That's fine by me. But this process is very important for me to know what the fuck I'm doing permanently. So, and also I want to make sure that I have because any API I've ever used always has a token. And I'm guessing that's just so that you know who is connected, so that it authorizes them to connect. And so I was thinking I should have that as well, because otherwise Vercel is nice, but I haven't deployed Python. Yeah, but I'm not entirely sure. I have enough built out to deploy it. Although I could just do it for me, but I'm just nervous that I just want to make sure that like the auth stuff is in place, so that you at least have to like snag a token in order to run it. So whether that's with like OAuth or whatever. Some APIs are full open without auth, if that matters. Alan, it kind of matters, but I also need to know how to do this. Is it mostly OAuth or are there other auth? There must be other authorizers, but it's mostly OAuth, right? So Alan, yeah, no, I don't think that's, maybe I do it without auth first. That just makes me nervous. Like, I don't know. Hey-oh, hey Pollux. Oh, Pollux. Oh, Pollux. How are you? Okay. I just did a project with Crappy Auth. I can't find anything about, oh, that's a good point. All right, hold on. How do I use Python on Glitch? Glitch looks for a file called start.sh in your project home directory. Creating your Python file, then changing package.json should work. Oh my God, I don't think this is what I want. What's Glitch? It's just like a hosting platform that somebody recommended. I could try Vercel. DigitalOcean droplet? Isn't Glitch dead? I don't know. So like Linode to DigitalOcean or yes. I didn't know Glitch did full backend. Vercel is cool, but kind of like the Google of hosting services. It's a VPS. You're setting up a server. Oh, I see. I see. I see. All right. You'd go with DigitalOcean. All right. Okay. I think that's important. I'm okay with paying for it, so. Vercel is serverless, and I'm not sure if they support Python, but you can't use serverless for Vibrator. Okay, got you. Got you. Got you. Okay. So, all right. Fly is better? Okay, I mean, hold on. Piling said DigitalOcean. I trust DigitalOcean, or I trust Piling a lot. I also like Hatter's suggestions. Yeah, you'd have to put your DB somewhere else. Yeah, I want to make sure I don't have to do that, but sure. Gray said DigitalOcean. So then who said Fly? Oh, okay. Got it. DigitalOcean. Sounds good. Get push, get paid. Thank you for the follow, get push, get paid. All right. I use DigitalOcean sometimes, but it's bare metal virtual machine. I'd try Fly before DigitalOcean because it's an infrastructure as a service, a bit higher level. Why wouldn't Vibrator not run on serverless? Because I need a database, T. I could, plus, I just need a database. Wait, I don't know. I've never run, like, I don't know. It also uses, hold on. Okay, so we're gonna do this the smart way. Hold on, so, or at least semi-smart, right? So we have our options. So Glitch seems like it's out because it doesn't host Python. So we've got DigitalOcean, which is not, then we have Give me a second. Then we have Vercel, but Vercel is serverless, so that won't work. Piling, is that a joke? Okay, hold on. Depending on how much DevOps you feel like doing. Okay, background for this project. Let me give a little bit of background. So basically my work said, hey, Christine, can we make this API? And I was like, we can, but then we have to use, then I have to know what I'm doing in terms of auth. And we already have Laravel. So we have everything in place to make the API. I have no issue doing that. But if we want to make it externally available, then we have to give people unique tokens. So the really important part that I understand here is like the ability for someone else to use this. So as I thought it was running the IRC chat connection, but I just remembered that's done TMI.js in Node. So maybe serverless would work. Oh, okay. No. This isn't running the chat connection. Hold on. Why wouldn't Vibrator not run serverless? I said Vim. Run it on Vim. Fly.io is a little complicated as a product, but the DO setup can be complex too. I'm okay with a little complexity, and I don't mind course. Cloud-hosted databases are easy, so don't let I need a database stop you from what you want. Okay. I want to do zero DevOps? I don't know. I didn't just open Terminal today. I use Terminal all the time at work to run a virtual machine. As a matter of fact, I use Homestead. For Laravel and run a Vagrant box on an Oracle VM and I'll do all of my build via Vagrant SSH. So last time I used DigitalOcean, it got compromised by both nets. I'm not dealing with that again. That's fair. I'll like DO. DO will work, but you're setting up the server. Okay, so should I try Fly then? Is there a big difference here? Like it seems like, so why are we not seeing you in Terminal then? Probably because of context piling. I haven't yet connected the dots in terms of the way everything is working, but I think I am now, like the fact that I just did the bash. Also, I don't understand why we have like a billion different terminals. There's like PowerShell, Bash, like command line, like the CMD terminal, the Windows terminal. Like, why are there so many? AWS and GCP serverless. Okay, AWS. Okay, there are like 4. And then there's WSL. Why are there so many websites? Yeah, fair. Fish term. There's a fish terminal. Terminal emulators are endless, but the bash shell is good enough. All right. Okay, I don't, it's fine. Well, fish is the way. Oh my God. Okay. All right, sure. Okay, so we've got, which one of these will teach me the okay, so can we just list some benefits? I think that will help. So somebody said DigitalOcean is complex. So is, hold on, Fly will, so I want to write some, is not complex. Oh, it's not complex. Okay. Not complex. It's just your PC on the cloud, so it's a virtual machine. It's just a virtual machine. Why would... Okay, so the one that's going to teach me the most is AWS. Okay. Because it's complicated, more complicated. Okay, I got you. It's just a Linux virtual machine. That's fine. That makes sense. Do will teach me the most when I already, hold on, Hatter, but I already use a virtual machine like at work. Do you, but I think if you want to use AWS, you have to set up Docker or Kubernetes. That sounds amazing. I don't think that's true, actually, though. Oh, no, you're probably right. No, you're probably right. AWS will frustrate you the most? That's okay. I can get frustrated. Will be frustrating. Got an example of why techie. More companies use AWS instead of DO. So if the goal is to increase job skills. Yeah, I feel like AWS is a better idea. A bit loss. What is happening here? Oh, sorry, Andre. And Aiken, sorry, Aiken to Cat. Let me catch y'all up. So basically, I've never hosted an API publicly before, where I have, but like I haven't been the one to create it. And so there are big gaps in my knowledge there. And it's really important that I move. Oh, it's very small, Alan. But it's really important that to like improve my skills, I make this jump. And yeah, and so like it's very important that I can do this. AWS is easy but harder than VPS. I think, well, okay, Hatter, both of those would probably be good for my resume, but AWS for my current skill set is going to be better than, and it also boosts what I already do. I gotta know, what's the name of your project? Intentional? Well, yes. No. I mean, I wanted something that rated vibes. So yes. Yes. It's easier than maintaining your own server. It's supposed to be easy. Oh, executable asked me if the name of vibrator was intentional. Yes, I did know what I was doing. Okay, cheeky minx. Oh, congratulations, Walt Nye. That's so fantastic. Happy to see you too. All right. Yep, that's the one. Except call it Vibe Raider, and I'll allow it. Oh, it's called Vibe Raider. Spell it like that. Okay, great. AWS is easy. All right, let's do AWS then. I'm feeling AWS is frustrating, but is a great tool for job skills. What I'm saying is you're way beyond me. I probably don't belong. No, that isn't true. You absolutely belong communicating here. Please, everyone, please. Aiken 2Cat needs some bubbles in the chat for encouragement, for like, no, absolutely, you belong here. Do not, we're pretty crazy here. I don't know, yeah. Oh, won't you stay with me? I should try Morse code. I should Morse code it to everybody. I love that. Thank you, everyone, for the Aiken 2Cat bubbles. A VPN. Okay, I spun up DO stuff, own cloud, some simple sites, blog, a VPN, and for getting around home ISP throttling. That sounds like... So I don't think it's a hard environment. Yeah, that's fine. I think we use both DigitalOcean and AWS, so I'm advanced in around the ways. I can't afford physical IRL bubbles. Bubbles! T, you can always ask for them. An L6 engineer in chat. And Aiken 2Cat is sweating. Dude, don't worry. Yeah. Of course, of course. No one should feel like they're not good enough here. Everybody who is anybody and who is interested in coding is good enough, and you belong here. So, all right. I feel like my gut tells me that this is going to be hard, frustrating, teach me a lot, might be really expensive because I hear if you mess up AWS, you get like charged a ton. So I want to make sure that like I turn it off. Like, I don't know if I want to. I don't know, Piling, maybe. Thank you for saying that, but I don't know. But I think that's the way I'm going to go. So I will need Auth eventually. I started, let's see, where did I started with R code, and I knew R before I knew VBA. I mean, I knew a little bit of VBA before I knew R, but mostly. Yeah, for real. So Techie, I kind of know the console a little bit. I think this isn't just so it's not just an S3 bucket because I need the database. And because I need the database, it means that it has to be fluffier than that. So you're right. If you go way over budget, isn't there an official get out of debt free card sort of? Oh my God, I don't know. I just hope I don't go there, honestly. Like, I just have to be careful. So that means I have to like start this from the bottom. Light sale? Thanks, T. Oh my God, why? Stop it. Hold on, I have to, before I click that. Oh, it did open. Look how far we come, my baby. Might have took the long way. Who knew we'd get there someday? They said, I bet they'll never make it. But just look at us going. You don't know me. This isn't basic, but neither are you. 80 million is a reasonable budget. Yeah, sure. Still the one that I'm to. AWS wastes no time on UI. I've used Azure as a pain. I've used Azure just for database. I've actually just logged into Azure for a database and it's complicated. So I don't know. I'm with you, T. No. Yeah, with AWS pricing, good luck. Really? Okay. I guess we'll just have to risk it together. Yeah, I hate Azure. We don't yuck other people's yum, so if anybody's in here who likes Azure, I'm apologizing. Are we trying to find the highest level AWS service that spins up the most infrastructure? How does it compare to Amplify? Okay. Techie, I believe, is asking Tanawa that question because I don't know the answer. Droplet might be nicer on the pocket. I mean, I do. MS equals better. So I think, oh, here we go. As part of the AWS free tier, you can get started with Lightsail for free. Sign up and receive 1 year free of 50 gigabyte content delivery network distributions. 1 year of free of 5 gigabyte object storage bundle, and 3 months on select container, instance, and database bundles. If you're linked to an organization, only one account with the organization can benefit from the free tier offers. Okay. For a limited time, Lightsail is extending its free tier to include 3 months free on select bundles. The offer applies to new or existing AWS accounts. All right. So Windows. Oh my gosh. Do I just switch to Linux now? Yo. So I basically have to spin up Vibrator on WSL first, right? Imagine wanting to use Windows. So I probably should get this. I mean, maybe people have been talking about Linux months ago. Not sure. Yeah, sure. But sure. But I gotta start somewhere. Baby steps, filing. Baby steps. I'm starting now. All right, so I need a way to imagine starting months ago. Oh my God. I don't even know. I can't. I would have no idea. I would be like, why am I doing this? I probably did. Honestly, if you go back to my VODs, I bet I did work in WSL because I hosted. What did I spin up on Docker? But this is how you know you have too many projects. Body so young to look like this. Yeah, Tracy Chapman is awesome. All right. So if I do... Okay, so how do I start with this? Get started for free? Whew. Is this gonna like populate? I don't think it will because it's oh my God, I'm terrified. Driving in your car. I should probably, I think I'm gonna make a separate root user email. I'm feeling that I'm alone. Akildra, thank you for the, Akildra. I killed you. Sorry, do you like crime movies, Akildra? Akil Dre. Is that right?
All right, I think it's Google. Oh, here we go.
It's Jujul.
Okay.
It's Jujul. Oh, how come you guys don't play that anymore? I love that sound. That's one of my favorites. I gotta rotate my sounds out though. Yeah, if you use a hosted database, they will likely charge you.
Jujul.
All right, I think it's Google. Oh, here we go.
It's Jujul.
Okay.
But what if instead of using a hosted database, I use SQLite? What if I don't move it to Postgres? She said the same stuff about Linux, the way she puts off Vim, Gray. Yeah, true. What's going on, Coder? I'm trying to host. What I'm trying to do is learn how to deploy an API with token authorization and understand how that all works. I know DevOps is here. DevOps! And so I am trying to figure out the best way to boost, while doing this, also give me some skill sets that will transfer to my job and to future jobs. Curious to see her run VS Code in the terminal to mess with DevOps. Oh, God. Skill sets. Not Vim, though. Oh, my God. Piling. Do you want me to do a 30-second Vim tutorial? It's 12:04. I'm going to bed soon. But I think I just, like, at least decided the right thing. Should I try to work with the OAuth token locally first? I think I should develop that first. I made my decision about AWS. I think this is the right way to go just because of how much I'll learn. It might be expensive and scary. I can probably, instead of saving it in a database, redo the code Hold on. I don't need, yeah, I do need the database saved there. Fuck. Okay. Hold on. I mean, like I can still probably host a database for pretty cheap. So I might just do that anyway. But I could start it on Docker. Hold on. Coming back. What help do you need? Okay. The first help coder is, okay, AWS. Okay, AWS for sure. Okay, so these others, okay, this is the winner. Ding, ding, ding. Right, there is a free tier. I think this is check. I'm going to do check instead. There's also Firebase on GCP. Okay. I think AWS is probably what I'm most used to because I'm in the AWS dashboard a little bit more. So I've been in an S3 bucket. I've not spun up an environment, but I at least know I could do CSV. You're right, piling, and maybe I just do that. No, because yes, I could do CSV. Or just a text file and just write it. I could. I mean, it's just if it's easier than doing a database. All right. Well, okay, then don't say that. I've never seen you troll in my entire life. Like, I don't know. I don't know. You betrayed me. GCP has a permanent free tier, unlike AWS, which only has 1 year. I really just need 5 minutes. She doesn't see me. I know. I just, I know. But AWS is the biggest cloud till now. So AWS is good to know. Let's do AWS. I am already relatively familiar with the dashboard. I've been in it. I think I will have an easier time with something I already know a little bit about. Things are going to be new, but at least I can, yeah, decisions made at AWS it is. Even if I owe $1 million for some reason, free tier. So I will use this. There is also Cloudflare, works with SQLite, runs Node.js. Then it's serverless. Yeah, fair. I could start with Cloudflare, but not right now. I need to learn. You need to learn. But actually, that is interesting. Does AWS have anything like that runs SQLite? And that's interesting. That's really cool. Can I make that? I'm going to make that note, T, that the works with SQLite. That's good to know. Runs Node.js. Okay, good. Theo does, I think. Oh, okay. Am I gonna Dockerize? I think I should. I think I should Dockerize it. You think? I think I should. Wait, no. I'm glad you got your song hyper. Yeah. Okay. But before we Dockerize it, I think I have to Dockerize it. Like, I don't have any other way. I have WSL. I have WSL with Docker and Ubuntu. I've done that before. What did I do it for? My website, y'all. Hold on a second. Hold on a minute. Hold on. I think you'll need to ship the ML stuff with it. The stuff that runs from your home directory. So probably Dockerizing is a good idea. Docker. Piling, my website is hosted nowhere. It's hosted on Docker right now. Local, Docker desktop. It's just locally hosted. But it's already Dockerized. I wonder but it's Laravel. Why did I do that? Could I potentially, oh my God, that would be a mess. I do like Laravel. Dockerize. Okay, I'm going to write this down, coder. Why did I call you Cotter? But I don't know what it means. Okay, Dockerize to ECR. What? I didn't, okay. Can I not? Oh, man. How come I can't just stick this? Oh, well, now it's there forever. Great, it's there forever now. What the hell? Okay, all right. Okay, so I need Dockerize it. Coder the Pro is here telling me what I need to do. All right, Dockerize, ECR, ECS Fargate. Apparently, this is an easy deployment. Apparently. Oh my God, I'm so excited to learn this, y'all. This is all new stuff and it's terrifying and it's gonna be so good for me. Railway for hosting? No, AWS for hosting. Is that the right way to say it? ECR equals Elastic Container Registry. Elastic Container Registry. ECS is Elastic Container Service. Oh, Elastic for like Elastic Beanstalk? Like Elastic Beanstalk. Container Service. Okay, these are the things I'm going to use on AWS is what you're seeing. Except Vim. I want to use, okay, Pylang. I will learn a little bit of Vim before I die. Okay, so y'all out there giving million different deployment recommendations. Yeah, but Coder is the DevOps king. So what Coder says goes. I'm gonna use Docker. Wait, is this not? Yes, I have to Dockerize it. AWS, they like the word elastic. Yeah, that's what I thought. Excuse me. Whew. Okay, hold on, Hatter, hold on. Docker is being used for everything. Once long ago, I wanted to use an old tablet as a wall display. I had an app and a calendar webpage that I wanted to show side by side, but the OS didn't have split screen support, so I decided to build my own app. I downloaded the SDK and the IDE, registered as a developer, started reading the language's docs, and I realized it would be way easier to get two smaller phones on eBay and glue them together. Software enlightenment. Oh my God, I love that. So funny. Glue together stuff that I don't understand. Oh, it's like the same. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that is really good. That's a good XCD. All right, cool. All right, so I'm going to sign up for this later, but I want to get Auth into this, and I think I'm terrified of it. I made a lot of decisions today, and I wrote no code. But I made a ton of decisions. I'm very excited about the code I'm going to write. Is anybody else excited about let's talk Auth solutions next. Yes. Wait, that's a good, we did decided to use OAuth. I believe that is what I think that's the easiest and fastest, and it's scary. Hey, Wolf. It's scary, but I think it's, if you're open to suggestions, I'd say if you want to go with what everyone else is doing, AWS, then you'll have a core skill. That is what I would like. However, if you want to be in high demand and rate, I'd say go with something not so popular. There's plenty of platforms out there. Learn what you want and you're comfortable with. So I do use a Linux VM. So I use a local VM, but I guess that's different. Or is it? I don't know. I guess I got to think of it as like the same shit, right? Like if I can run an app on a local VM, a Linux VM, then I can probably do it just as well on a remote one. But yes, I think that I will start with AWS because I have a little bit of familiarity with it, Fallen. Yeah, everyone's learning React. I'm learning Vue. So I have a little bit different skill sets. I think it's not a bad advice. It's different, but the same. Yeah. It's all just ones and zeros. That's right, baby. All just ones and zeros. Are you making a techie? Wait, we didn't decide to use OAuth. We can change it. The auth in OAuth stands for authorization, not authentication. Did I say that? Did I say authentication? Oh, you're right. For authorization. Sorry. Authorize. That's what I wanted for anyway. Authorization. Sorry, but I don't know what I was thinking. So I don't have to use OAuth. But that's what T told me to do. How do you interact with said virtual machine? A terminal, Pylang. Use a mouse to mess with your VM? Never, ever, ever do I use a mouse to mess with my VM. No, I do not. All terminal. The trick is get her to buy a DO droplet. Then I'll be too. I use Vagrant SSH. That is how I use it. Vagrant SSH. I like SSH, y'all. It's not scary. I just haven't used it in this. I haven't used it in this context. I just have to put the pieces together. Oh my God. I swear this is the most fun I've had on stream in a long ass time. I'm not saying streams are not fun, but this is a good time. Okay, so we're going to use OAuth for authorization. Hey, Z-Man, what's up? How are you doing? Okay, so we have OAuth, which from watching Techie deal with OAuth, I'm very nervous about this. Where everyone went. Oh yeah, because they're all fleeing. Yeah, that makes sense. How are you doing, Z-Man? Emmerichs, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Oh, Slumberjack, did I miss? I'm sorry, Slumberjack. I'm so sorry. Yank, okay. I didn't say, thanks for the follow as well, so sorry about that. On stream, I did OAuth in Rust. You don't have to do it in Rust. Was it Rust? I feel like it was so long ago. You have like a year of experience in Rust now. Did you do it for the Discord bot? Was that in Rust? Yeah, CC needs to start winding down and going to sleep because I have an early morning tomorrow. But I'm ready. I'm ready for this, y'all. I mean, I'm not ready. How do I normally edit files in Terminal? I don't edit files in Terminal. I edit files in IntelliJ. Oh, I see. Are you just asking me? I've certainly done it before. You write a script that tells it. You basically say, Python write. I'm just kidding. I did it for both the Discord bot and that application for authorizing users in my Discord. That's right. The latter was more involved. That's right. The one where you wanted to like basically authorize them, like if they had, you were trying to do it Twitch. Oh, but I also did it on stream in Next.js with NextAuth. Oh, I don't remember that. You can do it, Hyper Up Call. I'm gonna pass out, y'all. Okay. So, I just realized something. I changed my Twitter to, Wissam Codes. Oh no. Coder. Oh man, that's funny. All right. So we've got a coder recommended Dockerization or a deployment. This is like a deployment schedule. Is this what this is? What do I call this? Deployment pipeline? Or what is it called? Coder. What do I call this? Oh no, I just realized something. I changed my, oh yeah, you said that already. Okay, let's see. The access side, how you get it. Do you set up an auth server or was your stuff the access side? I don't know what that is. Like for someone else to access it. Okay. So then yeah, this is the next step. Twitch OAuth for authorization. But do I need Twitch OAuth? I don't think I need Twitch OAuth for authorization. I know T, you said this, but I don't think I do for my bot if I decide to host it elsewhere, but not for the Python API. I don't think I need Twitch OAuth. Oh wait, or do I because I'm using... No, I don't think it works like that, right? No. No. Right? Like, basically, I just need... How am I doing that? It's just, there's just no authorization. So I need to build it first. Like if I go into Vibes, there's no auth here. So I have to build an auth. But I'm not sure how that works. I've just never done this before. The Good Idea Company. Hello, Good Idea Company. But mostly yes. But also no, but mostly yes. I'm not sure what Twitch uses. But I don't need Twitch. Right? Because like basically TMI.js uses Twitch OAuth to connect the bot part. But I am connecting it to the API. So I'm just calling it with an API endpoint. So as long as I host it with like chrissycodes.com endpoint, I should be fine, right? So I don't think I need a Twitch auth for that. I need a different kind of auth. Hello, how's things? Things are good. How are you? Did you tell me how things are, Good Idea Company? It's a good name. I feel like if is that a real company that you own? I use auth via TMI.js. So I'm not worried about the TMI.js auth because I can still run the bot locally and then call the Python API. But what I want to make sure is that the Python API needs authorization. That's all. LLC, that's awesome. If you want to have those tokens, you'll have to set up an auth service or use one like auth if I'm following you. Okay. If I want to use those tokens, I'll have to set up an auth service or use one. Okay, so basically, let's look at fast API auth services. Do I do OAuth 2? So maybe OAuth 2 doesn't specify how to encrypt the communication. It expects you to have your application served with HTTPS. Okay. I forgot how I coded my Twitch thing. I remember I used socket.io, but it wasn't for anything auth related. I had to make some app for permissions and use that. Oh, interesting. OpenID Connect is another specification based on OAuth 2. It just extends OAuth 2, specifying some things that are related, relatively ambiguous in OAuth 2, and trying to make it more interoperable. For example, Google Login opens OpenID Connect, but I think OpenAPI, here we go. This is probably what I want, is the specification for building APIs. That's what I have right now, right? Hold on. Is this saying OpenAPI defines the following security schema? I think this is what I want. Okay. I think I want OpenAPI. You can do simple generated secret-based auth to start from an environment variable. It's not the most secure, but it's better than nothing. Okay, Techie, I'm gonna write that. So you're saying it would be a good start, but this is probably the most important thing for me to learn is this auth technique. Probably by far the most important thing. I probably need to look at it in Laravel terms too. Like, what does Laravel have available for auth? But okay, so I don't want this here. Let's run an OAuth, and then I want, okay, so you said, or sorry, this should just say auth. So run a simple generated secret based auth. This will get me a good, like, on the path. I think you're right. Well, that's what I have right now with TMI. Yeah, you can ask something dumb. Not dumb, but maybe not obvious to me. Yeah, sure. Do you need all this DevOps to learn this auth stuff? I need the DevOps to be able to deploy it, don't I? So I don't just need the auth stuff. I need I do need the information about the DevOps and the auth. Okay, if I'm gonna, yeah, I've got that part done already. Good idea, company. Here you go. I'll show you. It's right here. TMI.js. It's all right here already. It's already running, actually. Good idea, company. Oh, not Bubbles. I almost picked the wrong Bubbles. This is running through it. But so much fun. If Bubbles make me so happy. I don't know. Bubbles should make everybody happy. But if they don't, I'm very sorry. Like hard bricks. Does anybody get happy with like bricks dropping to the ground? Don't tell me. Maybe talk to your therapist about it. So looks like webhook has webhook callback verification. Discord. All right, Hatter, hold on. Why do you need auth at the moment? I need auth because I'm learning it. I am learning it. It is important for me to learn auth. It is important for me to know how to do this. These two things are very, and I also don't want just my API hanging out without having any authorization. I would like a little bit of security. Not because I'm protecting anything, but just because like, well, yeah, I mean, I think I'll probably also have to In the app right now, I have the SQL database in the same like spot as Vibes, but I'm just gonna have to I'm gonna have to pitch that out of there. I don't want it in there. It needs to go somewhere else so that I can host that anywhere and just point to it. It can be hosted locally. Well, maybe it can't, but I got to think about it. Maybe it can't. Not to turn you off this pass, but there's lots of ways to rolling your own auth. Lots of ways rolling your own auth can go. Probably no worries at this level, but it's something to keep in mind. Hold on. If I was a malicious user and you had no auth, I could post lots of highly rated words and make my vibe rating really good. If I was a malicious user and you had no auth, I could post. Oh, I see. But I'm going to write a code that restarts the database every time. Like basically just clears it. So actually that wouldn't be that bad. It would just be someone using my database a lot, which would suck. Hey, Sithu, how are you? Auth plus DevOps plus Dragon Book. Piling. I'm not reading the Dragon Book. No, you're good. Good idea, company. The context is I'm trying to learn some things. Twitch provides HMAC to prevent that. But Vibes is not on Twitch. I would be connecting TMI.js. You could still post to Vibes with that. With what Techie's saying. But I think what I could do is disconnect the database when I wasn't using it. Like I would just have the hosted server. Like, do I even need it? I could probably separate the database out completely. Well, yeah, I could probably separate it out completely. And just have the API I could just make an environment variable or something where you had to define your own database, right? That's not how you do that. Okay, you could talk about it. Hold on, Adder. I'm gonna chop it. Whoa. Okay. S3 uses HMAC for signed messages, so it might be okay. Oh, is that a real, not a troll? That's funny. All right, cool. So yeah, okay, but that's the right idea. Okay, is there anything undecided here? Like obviously there's no talk of doing all of this in Vim, so it's not done. But is there anything that I need to be thinking about additionally? Like obviously I'm gonna learn more about ECR and ECS as I get into this. But the auth, I think I'll probably use OpenAPI and then use OpenAPI because I really need to learn about this. I mean, I just need to touch security a little bit more than I do. I need to understand it. I need to protect myself, my company. No troll, I'm 43. Yeah, that's okay. It's all good. It's all good. It was Coder. It was. It was not a troll. Vim is easier than all this stuff. Yeah, that's fair. I hear you. I'm not saying I'm not gonna do it. OAuth is the interface. OpenID Connect is an implementation, but it's Open API, not Open. Hold on. Are you right? Hold on. Yeah. It says it uses OAuth 2. So you're right. Hold on. So I have to say, you're right. I have to add that a little bit. So OAuth / Open API. Oh, it's okay. I still need OAuth 2 anyway. So, or I at least need the abstraction. I need to understand a little bit about the abstraction. So, y'all, I just have to say, like, I don't know what it is. I mean, I love Soapbox, but I love working on Vibrator. It's so much fun. Like, this is like my favorite pet project right now. I mean, yes, I do love Soapbox, but this is fun. Don't tempt me with a good time. And mutual TLS for, okay, hold on. So I need to write 509 certs. Biggest difference between OAuth and OAuth 2 is Ver2 as refresh tokens. That's what I want to. What? Nah, it's the chat plays the music, Walt. I'm not picking any, but this is good music. This is really good. It's good good music, definitely. What? Why are you what? Why is that funny? I just have to get a cert. So, wow, why do I need a certificate? Well, yeah, sure, whatever. Yeah, just it's fine. It's not a big deal. All right. Okay, y'all. Okay, everybody. So does no one see? So I added what you said, Tanawa. Does anybody see anything else to troll me with or to add in it with and I can also, MTLS is what you do when you have a fleet of security IT engineers. Oh, okay. So let's put an exclamation here so I know exactly what I'm doing. That's a joke. Okay, all right. T, why are you trolling me? This is knowledge I'm gonna have forever. Okay, but also I am reading your book. I'm reading that book. Okay, all right, because this stuff is close to unreadable at this point because I don't know what it means. You can create TLS and manage it entirely on AWS. Oh, that's good to know. Is this still Auth though? That's cool. I don't know what I'm doing, but it's going to be good to learn. Hell, I can spend the rest of the year on this because if I learn it, if I'm like good at this stuff, it's gonna make me feel so much more confident as a dev. This is a big black hole of backend that I'm missing, and I'm very happy to know this a little bit better. Attached to a load balancer and all. Jeez. I don't even think I need a load balancer coder. I need like one server. Why would I need to put this on any other server? I guess I would want a backup, at least one, right? But I don't even know if I need that. I really just want to. You gonna back me up on needing reversed MIV? Use reversed MIV for. Oh my goodness. You're all trolls. Alan, I can't believe you joined them. I'm so ashamed. I thought you were one of us, Alan. I thought you were one of the gullible learners who are happy for anyone's advice. And now you're giving me reversed miv. I just don't know what to say. It's like I don't even know you. All right, hold on. Away, leave love bleed. Oops, messed it up. Leave love bleeding in my hands again. I am looking for someone to read. Have you guys ever hung out with Team Vash? Looks like a game dev, an MMO game dev, which seems pretty cool. Perfect forward secret MIV only. Okay, everybody's tired. I see how it is. Yeah, someone doing, oh, Weeksy is making the zombie game again, which is really exciting. I can't have a redemption story if I don't try.
Bye.
Somebody that I used to know. We're saying, yeah, let's say bye. We're gonna go head over to Moeeksy because I'm really excited about her zombie game. Basically, you feed a bunch of zombies and I don't know why she's not on my and I want to see it. So basically this is the most selfish raid I've ever done because I just want to see the thing. But all right, so thanks everybody. I have a good idea of what I'm doing next stream, which I'm very excited about. So yeah, we're all gonna do DevOps and Auth next stream. It sounds like a dream. Who's excited? Wait, new code. I was like piling, yo. Good night, everybody. Oh, thank you, Anonymous.
Something and a half.
Thank you so much for the tip. All right, everybody. See you later. Raiden Weeksy. You keep on using that word. Bye, all. Next stream is about Auth and DevOps. All right, bye.
Bye.